Getting information in and out of the ZachTrack server is a vital part of using the system. In this video, we will talk about all things import-export, from show files to fixture profiles to file paths. To import a show into ZachTrack, start by opening the main menu. In the top right corner of the software, you'll see 3 dots. Click on them to open the drop-down menu. From there, select Import Show. This will take you to the Import Show wizard, where you will see a list of files already saved on your tablet. The supported file formats for importing are .zts, .csv, and .mvr. If the file you need isn't on the tablet but is instead stored on a USB stick, click Import From at the bottom of the menu. This will allow you to navigate to the file's location and select it. Once you've selected the show file, the next step is to configure the import settings. First, choose the import scope. You can either import the entire show or specific elements. Then decide on the import target. You can either create a brand new show or merge the imported components into the existing show. After making these selections, follow any additional prompts to complete the import process. Another efficient way to import information into your show file is by using MVR Exchange. If you'd like to learn more about how this works, check out the video linked here. Now let's talk about exporting. Just like with importing, you'll find the Export Show option in the top right corner of the software under the server options. Clicking on it will bring up the Export Show to File menu. The first thing you need to do is name the file. By default, the system will generate a name that includes the current show name along with the date and time. Next, choose the file format. There are 3 options. ZachTrack Native is a small binary format that isn't human readable but is perfect for saving, loading, and transferring shows between ZachTrack servers. CSV allows you to edit the data in a table format and re-import it into ZachTrack, which is useful for patching fixtures and actors. JSON is a human-readable format, but keep in mind that exported show files in this format cannot be re-imported. If you want to include server settings in your export, you can choose to do so. Server settings include system settings, network settings, device settings, system configuration, and tracking configuration. This option is only available when exporting in the ZachTrack native format and requires an active server connection. Once everything is set, click Save to export the show file to the default file path. Storage, emulated, 0, ZachTrack shows. If you want to save the file somewhere else, like a USB stick or a different folder on your tablet, click Share instead and choose your preferred destination. Sometimes fixture profiles need to be imported or exported separately from the show file. This is done within the Fixtures tab in the show editor. At the top of this section, you'll see 2 soft keys, one for importing and one for exporting. To import a fixture profile, click Import. This will bring up a list of supported file formats within the default fixture types folder. The formats you can import are .ztft, .ftb, .gdtf, and .zip. If the fixture profile is stored on an external device like a USB stick or another folder on your tablet, click Import From at the bottom. This will allow you to navigate to the file's location and select it for import. For exporting fixture profiles, you'll see a list of available fixture types. Clicking on one will automatically name the file based on the fixture profile named in the show file, but you can rename it if needed. If you select multiple fixture profiles, they will be exported as a single .zip file, which can then be imported into another ZachTrack show file. By default, exported fixture profiles are saved to Storage, Emulated, 0, ZachTrack, Fixture Types. If you want to save them somewhere else, click Share and choose the desired folder or external device. And that's everything you need to know about importing and exporting in ZachTrack. Whether you're transferring show files, fixture profiles, or working with different file formats, these steps will help you manage your data efficiently.